In this video I will explain you how you can write Java program in your ADF application. You can write your own customization using Java program. So let's start creating one new application. File, new. Let's close the previous application. File, new application, ADF Fusion web application. Click OK. Give the application name, for example Java application. Next, there are two projects, model and view controller. Next, finish. Now let's create the business components. Right click on model, new, business components from tables. There is no connection at present, so we want to create a new connection. Click on the plus button. Here connection 1 is coming, no problem. You can change the connection name. Here username is HR, password is HR, and service name is XEPDB1. Test connection. Here success. Click OK. Click OK. And here query, we want the tables. I want to take the departments table, so here department, click to the right side. Here model dot io. Next, I want the view object, model dot view. Then next for application module we want model dot am. Next, now here our entity object, entity based view object, we don't have query based view object, application module is there, so create. So let's first start writing Java code in the entity object. So go to this application window. In this model.io departments entity object, departments.xml file, double click it. In this, click on Java tab. Let's click again. Here Java tab, then Java classes. You can write your Java classes here. If there is no Java class, then it uses its own by default. Click on this. Then generate entity object class. You have to check this box. Department entity object is mapped to the table. If you want to create a new row in this entity object or in this table, after the user you want to do something, then go for the create method here, and accessor is for setters and getters. For each attribute or each column, setters and getters it is providing in the code. For example, department ID, department name, manager. If you want to deal with the setter and getter of this attribute, then select accessors. Remove method, if you want to remove the row or delete the row. Remove method is once the user delete a row from the entity or a table, you can write the code before deleting a row or after deleting a row. Data manipulation methods. This is one of the most important usage. You use DML operations. You use DML methods which the insert or update or delete. Here before insert, before update or before delete, after delete. Select all these four to generate the department impel class, department intel class. To open the class department, now click OK here. To open the class department eo.xml, model.eo departments.xml, you can click here. This one, department simple.java. This is the new, you have added all this. Getters and setters. See, get department ID, set department ID. For each column, it will create get department name and set department name. Get manager ID, set manager ID, like this. Let's try to write some code in the entity object and how we can use entity object. We will create one page now. Go to the view controller or web content, right click new page, give the file name as programmatic.jsf. facelets, here document type reference ADF page template. I am taking tablet first template. Click OK. Now in this facelet we have different types of facets. I want to bring this department's view from the data control to the center facet. Drag it and bring it to the center facet. Select it as an ADF form. Select the row navigation. Click OK. Once I update, for example, here what will by writing the code, what it should happen, if I update the department name field, manager, this manager ID should be set to 100. This is my this one view. We can do this in the entity impel code. Go to the department name. Here go to this department simple.java file and in the department, here go to the department setter, department name setter, and type the line here SOP, control, enter. SOP, type, control, enter. It will print system.out.println, and in this you can type new DPT name. value colon double quotes space plus here value. If you are providing a value to the department name, then what it should happen, what you have to do, set manager. What is our condition? If department name is changed, set manager ID to be 100. This is a condition. Here Java code, it is a case sensitive. If you give a small letter or capital letter, it will check whether it is capital or small, otherwise it will give error. Here semicolon, here some quick fix and code assist for this line. Just click this bulb icon, remove unusual local variables, just undo it. Manager, set manager ID 100. Once the department name is changed, let's give this as comment line. Now save. Where is the error? Some error it is showing. Okay, maybe here space manager ID. Let's see this department entity object, the attributes. Manager ID spelling is MANAGER and ID. Okay, let's see this. Sometimes it fixes. Suppress this, undo. Create class set. Okay, because we give the space, it is not taking. Set manager ID of 100. You have to give like this. Now go to the programmatic JSF structure. Select the department name field. Here, where is department? Department name field in the property. department name. What you have to do is, in the department name, go to the behavior, and here auto submit, it should be true here, and so that it will reach to the model layer, and put from the department name this ID, copy it, Control C to copy the ID, and put it in the manager. Select the manager field from the departments view, and here in the manager ID, partial trigger, it is also in the behavior, there is one partial trigger here, paste that ID of the department name. Now save it, and now programmatic.jsf, select, right click, run this page. So here the records are appearing, last record. Now suppose if I change department name to my debt, then manager ID, see, manager ID become 100. So this is our condition, that if my department name is changing, manager ID should be 100. We gave it like this in the code here, in the code, department simple.java, see here, this one, it should take the value and set the manager ID to 100. So this is one of the best way to write the Java code in the ADF application. It's very simple. Like this is the entity, on the entity level we write the Java code. In the same way, it is possible to write the Java code on the view level as well as the view level, like view object level. Here view object level as well as the application module level as well as the view layer level. I will explain you one more thing, is how do you secure your ADF application using the ADF security. There are two types of security: authorization and authentication. So authorization is user can see which page. Authentication is just to just like login, user has access to the login. So for this security, go to the application, secure, configure ADF security. Here it is asking you want which type, ADF authentication and authorization or ADF authentication. So here only little changes is there while you are selecting this. First we are taking this ADF authentication, select next. Here form based authentication type which you want, and web project it is view controller.gpr. Form based, generate default pages, it will generate the login page and error page. Select next, and here if you are giving redirect upon successful authentication, you are selecting the file programmatic JSF. When we log in, we want to see this page, click OK, next, and here finish. Here one file will create jasmine.data.xml. So here the security infrastructure supporting your configuration selection has been created. Click OK. Now what you have to do, you have to create the username and password to log in to the page. So again go to the application menu, secure. In this you click on test users and roles. Here create the user, new user. If it is a user 1, user 2, anything you want to give the username. For example, user 1, and password is 8 characters. So I want to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here confirm password. Same password should be there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, any password, but you should remember and follow the password rules. So this is our user name and password. Now save. If you have any server running, just undeploy it, or just go to the build, clean all, say yes. Are you sure you want to clean? Yes. Build make all to bring our login page first, and run the application. Programmatic.jsf, run. Before there was no login. Now you can see after giving the ADF security authentication authorization, you can find first it will ask for the username and password, then it will run the page. You can see here the output username it is asking, we give the username as user1 in small letters, and now we give the password. Just remove the previous password and give your password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now submit. Yeah, here update password. Microsoft Edge will update your safe password for this site. If you want to click update, click, otherwise no thanks. Here as you can see, after login your application, it is going to the page. Here you are running your page. Again, if you want to see your output, department name, if you want to change to any department, for example computer department, the manager should set to 100. See, if you are changing the department name, it should set to 100. This is our condition. So I hope this video is very helpful for you to I clear the ADF security, how to create the login page, as well as how to write Java code in the ADF application. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.